WOLF TRAX DDP Micronutrients are formulated to provide a better storage and handling experience that meets the needs of your operation, no matter the size. The unique chemical and physical design allows for greater equipment flexibility, and when using an auto batch blender, WOLF TRAX can optimize blending to maximize efficiency. To start, the WOLF TRAX drum is loaded onto the forklift. After attaching the slide gate to the drum, it is rotated 180 degrees using a drum turner and attached to the powder feeder. When the drum is secure, the slide gate is opened so WOLF TRAX can begin dispensing from the drum into the feeder. Before mixing, it's crucial to ensure that WOLF TRAX is primed completely to the end of the discharge pipe of the powder feeders, so the system can accurately measure what's needed. After fertilizer is loaded into the appropriate hoppers, it's time to start the blend. In the blend room, enter what products, including the appropriate WOLF TRAX application rate, are in the final blend ratio. It's important to note that application rates may vary depending on crop, region, and other factors. Through even coat technology, WOLF TRAX DDP Micronutrients uniformly coat every fertilizer granule, ensuring micronutrients are evenly distributed throughout the blend even after transport and handling. Now, it's time to start the blending process. Once it begins, the batch control program will take over and measure the correct quantity of fertilizer from the hoppers, along with the required rate of WOLF TRAX from the feeders. All of these products then travel down a conveyor to the blender for mixing. After mixing is complete, the fertilizer blend is ready for transport and is transferred to the loadout conveyor, which carries it up to a tender truck. When it arrives at the grower's operation, the blend is transferred onto an applicator before being applied. With WOLF TRAX, nutrients are evenly distributed across the field and in closer proximity to growing roots, improving yield potential. WOLF TRAX is also designed to increase operational efficiency through greater equipment flexibility, allowing you to find what works for you. Explore other equipment options at wolftraxmicros.com or contact your Koch Agronomic Services representative to learn more.